of Birken, Utah. We are on our way to go to Zion National Park. We have to park in Springdale, Utah because Zion implemented a shuttle system, so you can't actually drive into the park anymore because there's so many visitors. It's kind of a cloudy day, but hopefully the sun comes out soon. Alright, so we found parking in Springdale, Utah, and now we are headed to the shuttle to make it to the visitor center. Unfortunately, some of Zion is closed right now due to snow melt and some rock slides. So the trail that I wanted to do, we're not going to be able to, but I'm sure we'll find something just as awesome. And it feels like it's going to rain soon, but hopefully it doesn't. So as you can see, Zion National Park is extremely popular, especially the trail we did, which if you go this way, that's how you get to Angel's Landing. And I don't know if they're showing up on my camera or not, but basically this right up here, that's how you get to the tip of Angel's Landing, and it's just a straight line of people right now. So I wanted to wait until we got a little bit farther away from so many people before I vlogged, but we made it to the visitor center before, and they suggested that we do the West Rim Trail because the other one that we wanted to do was closed, like I said. It's crazy busy here, so apparently this year it's the 4th busiest national park. It was very apparent because, like I said, we had to take a shuttle bus and we had to wait in line like 45 minutes before we could get onto the bus just to get to the trail that we wanted to go to. And there was a ranger there, and he said that sometimes later in the season it's even longer, like an hour and a half long, and it'll go all the way out of the park into the village, around the hotels and everything like that. And yeah, so we decided to do the West Rim Trail, which in order to get there you pass the Angel's Landing Trail, and it was crazy busy. Basically everybody that was doing the trail at the beginning that we were on was doing Angel's Landing and not this one, and all the people kind of took away from the experience a little bit. It was just like a single file line the entire time. It made it really hard to enjoy what was around us, and a couple crazy things. So the reason why those trails are closed is they're actually closed indefinitely, so they don't even know when they're going to reopen them. But like I said, it's because of snow melt and rock slides. And then apparently, you always hear people say the statistic, 7 people have died on Angel's Landing, but this week somebody else fell, which is really sad, and I can't imagine how scary that was for them and the people that they were with. But yeah, we decided not to do Angel's Landing because 1, I'm afraid of heights, and 2, it was way too busy. Other than that, this park is beautiful, and it doesn't even look real, and all the pictures you see online don't do justice as most beautiful places. Right now we're gonna eat some lunch and then turn around. Like I always say in all my videos, it's not too shabby of a place to eat lunch at. I'll show you now. day visiting Zion National Park, and tomorrow we are off to another national park. Tomorrow is Bryce Canyon. So right now we're in Panguitch, Utah, a very small town close to Bryce Canyon, and it was supposed to be an hour drive, but there is a highway closed by Zion National Park because of a rock slide, so it took us 2 hours instead. But that's okay, we made it, and I'll see you tomorrow.